What I have seen, the biggest mistake coaches are doing in their business is they keep on switching their funnel and their product every single month. Hi, I'm Sabha and I run a marketing agency with my husband. So we have been into this industry from past 6 years and we help coaches in terms of lead generation and building a strong brand so that your audience can remember you. Most coaches are just one funnel away from getting consistent inbound leads for their coaching business. Now you would be like, Sabha, what that funnel is all about? So first of all, if you are new to this industry, so let me just define you what is funnel. See, funnel is a simple thing. It's just a journey. The person who don't know about you to becoming a client. So this whole journey is known as funnel. So now there are different types of funnel. For the same, you can just watch this video. Over here we have discovered a lot of funnels and you can get the idea in details. Now when it comes to the inbound lead is something that person is messaging you or directly reaching out to you for your services. You don't have to reach out to that person, so you don't have to do cold DMs or cold outreach, right? So this is what called inbound lead. What I have seen, the biggest mistake coaches are doing in their business is they keep on switching their funnel and their product every single month. Whatsoever is coming in the market, they were like, okay, let me just get it started with the same. Let me just do DM funnel, let me just do webinar funnel, let me just go for the event, this and that. See, whatsoever you are choosing, you just have to stick to the same process for next 6 months. Yes, over here you can't get the results within 1-2 days or 1 week. No, you have to follow the same process for next 6 months. That is something you really need to do. So if you are someone who want to get started with your coaching business and the platform that you have chosen for yourself is LinkedIn, this is the right video where you would be getting each and every guidance on how you can get started over a LinkedIn from the scratch. So recently I spoke to a coach. She was posting consistently like every single day, including Sunday as well, getting engagement on her content, getting good followers as well. But she was not able to generate leads for her business. See, this is the problem where most of the coaches are stuck. At the end, the main reason of creating content is just one thing, to generate leads and sales. But for the same, you need to set up a backend system. Whatsoever traffic you are generating through content, like where your traffic is going, question this to yourself. Where? Are they just liking your post? Are they just following you? That's it. And that's the main reason why you are not getting leads. See, understand this thing, the real problem is not your content. The real problem is the system behind the same. So every week you are posting, hoping for the leads and then just repeating the same process. And if you don't get leads or any call booking out of the same, you just conclude this that the platform is not working or the algorithm is not, working in your favor. Understand this thing, no stranger would going to buy you by just seeing your content at once. You have to gain their trust if you really want that person to become your client. In this video, I'll be sharing the exact framework that we use to turn the content into booked calls for our clients. I'm telling you, if you're just starting your journey as well, you just have to follow this simple system that I'll be discussing in this video. So stick to the video till the end. This is our simple funnel framework. So the first step is niche specific content. So what you need to do, you have to create a content towards just one audience. The biggest mistake that people are doing is they are creating the content for everyone. You don't have to go broader, you just have to go in deep. Just target one audience, one problem. For example, I help women transform their body. It's very vague. But if I say I help working women in losing 10 kg within 90 days without any extreme dieting, people would be like, whoa, she's talking to me, right? So you have to understand to whom you're talking. So if you're trying to talk to everyone, it means you're talking to no one. Simple. Step 2, create a powerful lead magnet. See, whatsoever content you are posting on your LinkedIn, start promoting a valuable resource every single week. Now you can create a simple checklist, a workbook, any ebook or some video guides. This is something that will going to build the trust in front of your audience because they would be using a small product of yours, they would be getting a taste of your product and your working style, and this would be moving the needle towards the sales process. Now selling that person would become easier for you because already the person is trusting you, right? So whatsoever you would be creating, that needs to be valuable. should solve one specific problem. So after using that particular lead magnet, the person should feel a change as well. I'm telling you, this strategy can give you massive amount of leads every single week. Just remember one thing, create one lead magnet every single week, and at the end of the month you can just figure out, okay, what was your winning lead magnet. Might be out of 4, one lead magnet was like boom for you, which got you 100 plus leads, right? That is something you have to use repeatedly every single month. Just try to follow the same process for next 90 days and then see how the number of inbound leads would going to increase. Step 3, weekly newsletter. This is where most coaches fail. Like, they post the content and then they create a lead magnet, collect the leads, but after that, when it comes to the nurturing process, they are like just nowhere. See, understand this thing. Whosoever is signing into your lead magnet, right? The journey from lead magnet to your high ticket sales process would going to form through nurturing only, right? So what you need to do, you have to keep on nurturing them. And how you would be doing that thing? By coming again and again in front of them. And the best professional way to do this thing is weekly newsletter. And you know what? You don't have to create anything new for the same. What you can do, whatsoever content you have posted over LinkedIn for last 5 days, for example, if you're posting 4 or 5 days a week, right? Whichever content has worked great for you, just repurpose that content into your email and promote your call booking over there. That's it. Nothing complicated. Step 4, consistent call promotion. Sometimes we just keep on thinking, okay, let me just nurture my audience more, let me just do it for next 1 month and 2 months, then I'll be going to promote something. No. Start promoting. For example, if you are sending 4 newsletters in a month, so out of the same, in 2 newsletters you can promote about your call booking, right? Don't wait for the perfect time. Just keep on promoting about your services. Your audience should get to know what exactly you do, what exactly you solve, and how you can help them out. The internet makes look businesses complicated, but simple usually wins. I have seen coaches who are spending months in deciding a simple logo, brand colors, designing the whole funnel, and then building all the automations, but again, making no money out of their business. Also, on the other hand, I have seen coaches who are just following the same step that I have guided you in this video and making tons of money out of their coaching business. Now you need to decide what you want to choose and where you want to invest your time. And the best part is, we have created a workbook for you from content to client, and in this workbook we have break down each and everything whatsoever we have covered in this particular video. How you can finalize your niche, what kind of content you need to create, how you can convert the same thing into weekly newsletter, what kind of lead magnets you can create, and how you can get the sales of your high ticket offer. So go and grab your copy right now. You will be finding the link in the description. And if you're enjoying this video till now, then don't forget to subscribe my channel.